Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable mentions for username notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings here. You click on it, then it's going to take you to this list and you click here on manage notifications. Just click on it. So then you waiting to open video like this. You come here to mentions of username. Click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mentions of username. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.